Now, we will now compute for the materials efficiency variance. So, kagaya dun sa materials price variance, bawat material will have its own materials efficiency variance. So, apat yon, yung almonds, pistachios, etc. Okay, so bawat isa sa kanila may sari-sariling materials efficiency variance. And then, you will get the sum. Okay? So, the formula is actual usage less standard usage times standard price. So, we apply that formula to the 4 ingredients as shown here. No? So, given naman po yung actual quantity used, no? Yung 5280, 7520, etc. Given naman siya sa problem. So, what we have to compute is the standard quantity that must be used. So, for example, dun sa almonds, ayon sa problem, per batch, 180 cups. Diba? And then, we produce 25 batches. So, you multiply 180 by 25. Same with the cashews, no? Sabi sa problem, per batch, 300 cups times 25 batches produced. So, that will give you the standard quantity to be used, no? So, same logic for the pistachios and seasoning. And then, you multiply the difference between the actual usage and standard usage by the standard price per cup. No? So, given naman po yan, yung 1, 2, 3, and 6. So, kita mo naman po dyan sa ating slide kung magkano yung na-compute nating efficiency variance for each ingredients. And take note again, kapag red, that is unfavorable variance. And for green, that's favorable variance. For a total of $610 unfavorable materials efficiency variance.